Part 1. Sending offers on eBay. Step 1. Go to your eBay store and click on Sell. If any of your items are eligible for offers, they'll show up here. Step 2. Click on Send Offers. Set the discount to 5%, then click Send Offers to increase your chances of making a sale. Part 2. Creating a markdown sale. To boost your sales even more, you can create a markdown promotion. Step 1. Go to your Seller Hub and click on Marketing. Step 2. Click on Create Promotion and choose Sale Event plus Markdown. Step 3. Set the discount to 5% and uncheck the 2 default options below. Step 4. Choose a short duration between 8 to 24 hours to make the sale look more urgent and attractive. Step 5. Name your offer something simple and clear. Step 6. Choose Rule-Based Selection, apply it to all inventory, and then click Launch to activate your sale.